Sparta is a city in the county seat of Hancock County in Georgia. Hancock County is home to an estimated 600 historic sites, which are reflective of rich American Indian, European, and African American history and culture. If you go down Sparta's streets and Hancock County's back roads, you get a glimpse at the romantic past, recalling the days when cotton was king. If you're visiting Sparta, Georgia, there's a number of places to visit in this charming, small town. Although the town is needing to be updated and the downtown is looking for a revival, we did find a few hidden gems that were hiding in plain sight. In the downtown, you'll clearly see Webster's Pharmacy in Sparta. It is a community landmark in the downtown and a favorite amongst residents. They have the dollar ice cream. Their ice cream is a popular place within the pharmacy, and if you walk all the way towards the back, you will find their ice creams for the season. Very friendly staff, really cozy, quaint area, and you can always pick up a gift for a friend while you're in there as well. This is a nice family structured area and has lots of people trying to better their life. It's a place where it can be a little boring because it is a smaller town, but there's always events and weekends and holidays where the town and community gets together. It's also a place where there's a lot of support in the community. And it's close by Lake Sinclair, so it's a lake that offers tranquil retreat for those seeking a serene lakeside escape. We stopped in a quaint little place called Pizza Plus. It was on the corner at the end of the downtown. We ordered a cheese pizza, and it's possibly one of the cheesiest pizzas we've ever had. Sparta is a beautiful little town. Like I said, the downtown itself is looking for revival, and many of the buildings are needing repair. However, in spite of all of this, the people in Sparta have found a way to cherish their city's landmarks, showing what can be done in a community that believes in preserving its past for future generations. No building in Sparta tells their story better than the Hancock County Courthouse in the heart of the historic Georgia. The courthouse is lovingly called Her Majesty, and she has become the town's symbol of hope and rebirth. If you found any value, please subscribe and like this video. It helps us in reaching out to more people like you and sharing videos like this.